For the last 3 weeks, Uttarakhand has held the nation's attention. Now that most of the pilgrims and tourists have been evacuated, residents of the flood-hit state fear they'll be forgotten. It will be years before basic infrastructure like roads are rebuilt. Unemployment looms large as much of the local economy is dependent on pilgrimage traffic. But many aren't even looking that far ahead when they're unsure of the availability of basic necessities in the near future.
बद्रीनाथ में लोग तो जितने भी यात्री थे, जितने भी लोग थे, सब अपने घर को चले गए। हम स्थानीय लोग बामनी गांव के जो चाहे माना हो, हम कहाँ जाएं?
तेल दिया 2 लीटर, वो करीब 60 परिवार को मिल रहा। तो अभी और आएगा।
Facing a public onslaught, Pritam Singh Pawar, local MLA and Uttarakhand's urban development minister. Desperate villagers urging the government to act quickly and send rations for flood-hit and cut-off villages. A reality check for the minister who had just 2 minutes before he was gherawed declared that all was fine.
जो राशन विक्रेता हैं वो लगभग हर गांव में हैं और हमने उनको निर्देशित किया हुआ था कि कहीं पर कोई राशन की कोई दिक्कत न हो और कोई भी कहीं पर इस तरह का मामला नहीं है। अगर इक्का दुक्का कहीं होगा तो उसको दिखवा लेंगे।
The angry voices pushing us to check the ground reality. This government go down, one of the many storing relief material, rice, dal, biscuits, all fresh and adequately stocked. But the man in charge here says bad weather making it impossible for choppers to airdrop rations. 55 boxes of relief material have just reached Joshimath, and these have been sent by the BJP in Gujarat. Now this particular box happened to be open, and as mentioned here, there are 24 items here. You have a packet of dal, rice, chili and turmeric powder, groundnuts, chana, matchbox, your cooking oil here, packets of biscuits, and a blanket here, toothpaste, toothbrush, and of course an entire packet of flour. Now this of course has only been sent in the morning, but the question really is there enough relief material in the form of rations for the people of Uttarakhand? Because wherever we go, we hear the same complaint. The relief isn't reaching us. The government claims they are well stocked and will now use mules and porters to reach far-flung places. But what about the mismanagement of distribution? For even those from Mana, the last village before the Indo-Tibetan border and just 2 kilometers from the heli base in Badrinath, even they have the same complaint.
जब तक हमारे पास था, हमने पूरी यात्रियों की सुविधा दी, हमने यात्रियों को भंडारा खिलाया वहाँ पे। आज हमारे पास राशन नहीं है, प्रशासन से हम इस विषय में बात किए, लेकिन वो राशन मिला केवल मात्र 30 परिवार के लिए।
With camera person Sanjay Kaushik in Joshimath, Tejas Mehta for News First at 10.